This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Plug into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't stall. Next, make a quick backup to cloud or local storage. This protects your data if anything fails. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Software Update or System Update. Tap Check for updates, and when an update appears, review the size and release notes. This tells you why it's important and roughly how long the process will take. You tap Download and watch the progress percentage. This phase pulls the new OS files to your device. While it downloads, make sure permissions or terms are accepted so installation can proceed without prompts. Once the download completes, choose Install Now or Schedule for later if you need downtime. During installation, the phone may reboot several times. Keep it plugged in and on Wi-Fi to prevent failures. If prompted, enter your PIN or password to authorize the update before finalizing. You finish by checking Settings About or Software Update to confirm the build number and that the update status reads Installed. If the phone hangs during installation, force restart it, then try clearing cache or retrying the download. This often resolves corrupted downloads. If the update repeatedly fails, boot to safe mode to rule out apps or use recovery tools provided by the manufacturer. Make sure to restore your backup only if you notice missing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.